Uy, ba't hindi ka nagsalita?
This is my house in Minecraft PE.
Dapat umumpo.
Huwag ka naman!
Uy, wag. Pinapatawa mo kami. Magsasalita.
That's my room.
Tignan mo yung kamay.
And the room of my mother and
May
father.
kamay siya. May kamay dito.
This is the washing area. And my TV, of course. It's easy to do the TV. You have to
Uy, sige.
put a lot of villagers outside and
Ikaw nga,
get
punta
window.
mo ngayon
This is
sa
the
YouTube.
kitchen.
Kasi pupunta yan sa'yo.
Kitchen. This is the bathroom. Mamaya na tayo dyan sa secret room. Ito yung bathroom. Ayan yung bowl. Bowl. Where should we go? This is our secret room. It has a magic book. So we'll go outside. And the room of my sisters.
Ha,
There.
sisters kayo yun. Sa'yo pa nauunan.
We'll go outside.
Tagal ka pa matatapos.
There. This is the playhouse. Pangit yan. That's ugly. So we have done. This is my TV. Wait. Go. Ayan yung sa TV ko. Yun yung ginawa ko. Kinulong ko yung villagers dyan. Oh, wait a minute. Kaping mainit. There. The villagers.
Punta ka
there.
dyan. Punta ka dyan.
So,
Ano yung swimming pool?
yung
Yan?
ano.
Wala.
Yung lighthouse na.
So,
Ano yan?
bye ko. So, goodbye, guys. Bye.